Hey guys, Jetstreamer here. I just wanted to quickly say that if you're going to enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe, as 79.3% of people that watch my videos are not subscribed. Also, I stream games like Fortnite and Rocket League on Twitch. The link to that will be in the description down below. So here we have the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let's unbox it. Take the peeling off. Okay, here's the dark blue variant of the phone. It's got a plastic cover to not get any fingerprints on the screen. Here's the charger. It also comes with a manual, stuff like that. Now let's peel the protective cover off the screen. It's pretty clean. You can see the sides are flat and you can see the 3 cameras on the back. I think this is a pretty nice color for an iPhone 12. It's also just a clean phone in general, and the flat sides help make it look more clean. Okay, let's boot it up now, and we'll set it up. Now let's get into some of the features. The iPhone 12 Pro Max has the biggest screen, the biggest battery, the fastest CPU, which is the A14 Bionic chip, and it also has 5G, better resolution, and the 6.7-inch screen. They have not changed the refresh rate from 60Hz, probably because it could impact battery life in a bad way. It has a very small frame. It's a huge phone, and it can be hard to touch the top of the phone when you are using one hand, unless you have giant hands. One of the biggest features of the iPhone 12 are its flat edges. I like the new design, but I know that many people do not. Moving on to the camera. The quality is extremely good. You can take photos in 4K with 60Hz. The main camera is up to 40% bigger than other iPhone models. This is one of the reasons that the low light photos are so good. There is also a LiDAR sensor on the iPhone 12, which stands for light detection and ranging. NASA uses the same sensor. Why it's on the iPhone, you ask? For better low light pictures, augmented reality, and autofocus. One new thing that Apple has added that everyone will love is the new ceramic shield. The camera is still missing some features, like a higher refresh rate capture, but the iPhone 12's camera is still better than most smartphones. That's gonna wrap it up for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed.